Okay, we'll do a simple wrist practice first before we go on to more complicated practices. So stretch your hands out, make fists of your fingers, and just take your hand up, down, up, down. Relax your shoulders, up, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, and down. Relax your wrists. On a chair is the best way to sit for this practice, or on a low stool the way I am seated. So all the time this forearm is resting. This is very important. Okay. After all, we are using a weight with our wrist. So being careful and giving the rest of the hand adequate support, that is also very important. Hold your weight like this. The forearm is resting on the thigh. If you need, please take a stool under your feet so that the spine remains erect and the forearm is on the thigh. Now see the practice. We are going to do this. Bring the weight down, raise it up. Bring it down, raise it up. Got it? Let's start. Down, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, and up. Got it? Relax this hand, shift the weight. Now again, first adjust your position. The forearm at all times should be on the thigh. Only it is slightly out so that you can move the wrist. The other hand, keep it relaxed. Do not tense up any other part of the body. We start. 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, and up. Relax. For the next practice, this is how we are going to hold the weight. Okay? And we will move the hand up, down, up, down, like this. So what happens? See, when we did this, all the pressure and stretch was here. Now when we are doing this, the pressure and stretch is here. So for people who are using lot of mobile phone, lot of laptop, this is the thumb nerve and muscle that we stretch. So this is what we are trying to strengthen now. Everybody is holding their weight properly. Let's start. Up, down, up, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, and down. Shift the weight to the other hand. Hold it there. 1, up. 2, up. 3, weight should go down nicely. Up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. And relax.